Airo Eseza was appointed by the President of Uganda in 2018 as Uganda's cassava ambassador and later appointed at the regional forum to lead cassava farmers in East Africa, position that has supported her in widening the cassava production in Uganda. Currently, Airo Eseza is leading a company, Airo Eseza Cassava Farmers, Growers and Processors Limited, producing more than 100,000 tons of fresh cassava, out of which the company supplies to manufacturing companies, and part of which the company produces products like cakes, biscuits, porridge and many others.
My encouragement to all farmers out there and those who are interested in growing cassava, please come for this. This is called white gold. You can't go wrong with cassava.
While closing the 2024 annual Cassava Festival, Eseza explains that it is an exhibition of the products they are produced out of the market, saying that the community has substituted wheat with cassava flour as per the President's advice.
Zisinga tulina bangi nnyo bakeries nnyingi nnyo ze tusupplyinga muwogo tebakyakozesa wheat. Abasinga batambula ne advice President gye yatuwa ey'okugezaako okuggyawo wheat tuteekewo cassava flour. So tugezaako nnyo nga Airo Cassava Growers and Processors okusomesa abantu ebweru eyo kye bayita post harvest mu luzungu, okulaba nti tufuna white high quality flour.
She states that in addition to the farmers the company owns, they have attracted over 5,000 outgrowers across regions, producing over 100,000 tons of cassava annually.
Go tumwerimira nga company. Naye tulina ba outgrowers. Tulina ba outgrowers in Busoga, ne tubeera ne ba outgrowers e Teso. Wonna tubateeka wamu kubanga tusayininga nabo contracts. There are about 2,000 outgrowers betulina betukola nabo. 100,000 tons buli season. Kubanga moge ina season yemu. Teringa other crops. Mwogo ye aina season yemu nti bw'omusimba amala omwaka mulamba. Kati omwaka ogwo tulina mu tons ezo omutwalo 100,000.
She has revealed the government's plans to construct a cassava processing factory in Amuria district, saying that this has been one of the missing gaps in the cassava production and value addition.
Recently, we're given an opportunity by government okutuzimbira factory. Balambula ne balaba ebagenda ogiteeka. So starting January ffe nga company tujja kuba tuyina factory yaffe, naye si yaffe nga ba Airo Cassava ya Uganda yonna, buli omu agenda okuyingirira okulima mwogo.
Uganda produces over 5 million tons annually, covering about 500,000 hectares, and ranks 6th in Africa after Nigeria, DRC, Mozambique, Ghana and Angola. Cassava ranks 2nd in terms of production after banana in Uganda, and over 74% of farmers produce it.
Twava mu kulima mwogo ne tugaba ensigo ne tudda mu kye bayita value addition. Mu value addition muno tukola ebintu bingi, including the cassava bread. Recently President gye yatestingako.
Julius Momuza, Church of Uganda Family TV, News at 8.